वतन में।
Everyone's love remembrances. I went to offer bhog to Baba. Baba, with lot of love, was giving drishti to all of us. And after a few moments, I said, Baba, I have brought bhog on behalf of the souls who are on their onward journey, and also for Ishudadi. Baba emerges the souls in their angelic form. And then Baba fed bhog to the souls and also to Ishudadi. And Baba was deeply, I could say, very serious, but very cheerful, was looking at me. And Baba said, at this time, what you will ask Baba to give you. Baba says that we request for so many things, but actually at this time, you need power of faith. You need power. Each one of you need power. Because when you have power of faith, then you can help yourself and others. And Baba says, second is very, very peaceful mind, very quiet and peaceful mind. So Baba said, so it's your own inner strength and also Baba's power. Both are very important. There will be, and there is, lot of pressure of situations, circumstances, opinions. You will hear so many things. But Baba said, you should not take anything as pressure, so that not only your mind remains peaceful and quiet, but intellect can also be with Baba. Today is day of Sadguru. So as Sadguru Baba, Baba is Baba, then Baba is teacher. But as Sadguru Baba, Baba not only souls make souls worthy, but also Baba gives lot of blessing to everyone. But remind yourself that I have to maintain the omens of Jupiter, Brihaspati ki dasha. And that is only possible, Baba said, when your energy, that means your thoughts, your intellect, whole energy is Satoguni. The Satoguni means there is no any kind of adulteration. Or sometimes there could be desires, or sometimes you have something for the self, like not really very, very altruistic. So as much you maintain Satoguni, Sato Pradhan energy, then Satguru Baba is able to give you a lot of blessings. So then Baba said, all the souls, they are immortal. It's only some are fortunate to know this. Not only I'm immortal, but also what is my destination? Because everyone has to travel, but when you know your destination, then soul is not wandering. Soul will reach to destination. So that is why this time remind everyone of not only their immortality, but also of the final destination. And then Baba said for Ishudadi that she was very, very stable in various situations or while settling karmic accounts. She remained very, very stable. And when she was stable, then it was easy for Sadhguru Baba to keep showering more and more blessings on her. Give love to the families of the souls who went on onwards journey, and tell them that even if you all miss them or you have fear or worry, but always remember that one soul leaves the body, then they get guided by Baba, and whatever their elevated actions are, they experience all that in the fruit of that in many, many different ways, like there is contentment, they are happy, they are peaceful, which you all will not be able to know. So this way then Baba give lots of love, remembrances for everyone. वतन में भोग लगाया, बाबा से दृष्टि ली, सभी ने बाबा को बाबा ने सबको दृष्टि दी। बाबा ने कई समय हर एक भगवान से क्या मांगते हैं, कोई कहेगा स्वास्थ्य दो, कोई कहेगा उसको ठीक, परंतु इस समय तो सबको शक्ति की जरूरत है। तो दो तरह की शक्ति है, अपनी निश्चय बुद्धि का बल और दूसरा अपना शांत मन रखने से जो अंदर की बाबा ने कहा आंतरिक शक्ति है, तो स्वयं की शक्ति और बाबा की शक्ति की मदद से जो बहुत अभी टेंशन और प्रेशर बढ़ता है, बढ़ेगा, जिसमें हर एक की अपनी अपनी राय होगी, परिस्थितियां होंगी, कई तरह की बातें आएंगी, परंतु उन सब का आपके ऊपर प्रभाव नहीं पड़ना चाहिए और अपना निश्चय बुद्धि होके निश्चय का बल अपने पास रखो। तो बाबा ने कहा कि देखो आत्मा तो अजर अमर है, पर कईयों को मालूम है, कईयों को नहीं मालूम है। तो हर एक को इस समय पर अजर अमर आत्मा भी है और उसके साथ साथ मंजिल क्या है, घर और मंजिल दोनों का मुक्ति, जीवन मुक्ति का ठिकाना बताना बहुत जरूरी है। तो बेशक बाहर की परिस्थिति अनुसार आत्मा ने कैसे भी शरीर छोड़ा, लेकिन आत्मा जब एक शरीर छोड़ती है तो उसको उसके श्रेष्ठ कर्म, उसके श्रेष्ठ गुणों, उन सब के आधार से परिवार का प्यार एक अपने ही तरह का अनुभव होता है। तो इसलिए परिवार को जिस तरह से शरीर छोड़ा उस परिस्थिति का नहीं सोचना चाहिए, लेकिन आत्मा के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। ईशु दादी के लिए बाबा ने कहा बहुत बहुत एकदम स्थिर था मन उनका, इसलिए वो सदा ही बाबा से शक्ति लेती रही और उसके आधार पर वो एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल रही। फिर बाबा ने याद प्यार दी सारे सेवाधारियों को, जो भी है, कविता बहन आदि को। ओम शांति।